everybody. Welcome to Medling World. Good morning here from Celebration, Florida, as I walk the Celebration Trail. Wanted to do a quick vlog today about some updates to the channel. Let's talk about our upcoming Epic Universe vlogs. Yes, vlogs, plural. Several vlogs coming from Epic Universe inside the park. Also, Medling World's friend cruise. Let's update that. And a couple other plans in the works. Come on in. Check it out. Guys, again, good morning. Figure today's a great day. It's a Sunday morning, early April. Actually, exactly April 6th. It's about 7 a.m. up nice and early. And I figured, you know what? Every several weeks we like to do these channel updates, especially now with a lot of things going on with Medling World. Just kind of want to give you a little look at where I am this morning. Like I said, it's like 7 a.m. right now. Beautiful Celebration, Florida. Going to be a hot day. But let's get into some upcoming fun here on Medling World. Definitely want to get talking about the Medling World's friend cruise. We'll get to that in a minute. But let's start out with Epic Universe. That's right, guys. If you're just tuning in for the first time here on Medling World and you were like curious, hey, what's going on here with this guy Medling World? Well, it's me, my wife Roberta, and my son Jake. We all do the channel together, but you get to see my smiling face the most because I love the camera and I love to talk to everybody. But we have some Epic Universe vlogs coming up this week. Of course, Roberta, my wife, who is a team member there, we are privileged enough that we are able to attend and get inside the park before it opens. We've already been before. Ooh, I heard a little noise. Gotta be careful, guys. Sometimes you get some gators around. But we've been very fortunate that we've been able to get in. Oh, all the lights are turning off. Look at that. That's what was going on. And this is how we vlog. We keep it real on the channel. Our vlogs are purely like exactly what is going on. But we've been fortunate enough to get into Epic Universe. This will be our second time going. The first time we weren't allowed to even take pictures with our own cameras. But we did do a vlog. You can check that out. We did a recap of our day with a lot of opinions and excitement we had for this park. But now this week, coming up on Wednesday, and then the following Sunday, we will be inside the park and we'll be able to vlog. At this point, Universal has given permission for cameras inside, pictures, videos. It's all out there. You guys are seeing it, but we're going to give it to you Medling World style. And again, it is we call soft opening. Universal uses the terminology of technical rehearsal, so we'll have to keep that in mind as we're vlogging. It is a technical rehearsal, but lots of things going on in there. We'll be able to show you all the different worlds. My favorite world, Mario. I cannot wait to share that in our opinions about everything going on there. So that's going to be some fun vlogs. We plan on really getting into it and make several different vlogs over the 2 times we're able to go. Those will start coming out later this week. But also, with that being said, I mean, Roberta, who is a team member at Universal Epic Universe, has all the inside information, and now we'll finally be able to share all that with you guys. Lots of the little details that not everybody knows about. Also, you know what? Just a little off topic here. When you're walking on this path, man, you know these e-bikes and all of this, you really got to be careful because sometimes they come zooming by, man. So that's why you might see my head turning a little bit. And now, don't get me wrong, lots of people have the bells and they give you warning, but every now and then, whoa, wait, hey, where'd you come from? So I might have to do a little turn back to make sure. Let's get into now Medling World's friend cruise. That's really what I'm excited about as well. We had lots of people contact us through finding us from cruise vlogs, which a lot of you guys have. I mean, the stats don't lie. When I go back and I look at some of the videos that we made from cruising, the amount of subscribers we get from those are a lot of percentage, big time percentage of all of our subs come from cruising. And we do have a Medling World's friend cruise booked. People were asking, hey, you know, would you ever consider doing a friend's cruise and open it up to you know, some of your subscribers and people that enjoy watching Medling World could join, and that's exactly what we did. So we have a cruise coming up on Royal Caribbean's. Ooh, I need some of my coffee. This way I don't get as much light. I gotta turn back around, guys. Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas, September 1st through 5th, 2025, this year, out of the Port of Miami. We booked that one. We've opened it up to anybody who wants to cruise at Medling World. We're happy to say there have been a few people now who have booked the cruise. So we will be cruising with some friends, but we want to add to that. We want to see if we can get some more people to go. The more the better. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're just going to hang out. We have a Facebook page dedicated just for the cruise. Now, the Facebook page is for people who want to cruise. So you can check that out. It's Medling World's Friends Cruise. That's all you got to do. You just put a search, Medling World Friends Cruise, on Facebook. You'll find the page. It is a private page. You have to answer some questions. You got to let us know if you want to cruise with us. If you're going to be cruising with us, that's how we know who's coming, and that's how I know there's at least a couple people that have booked their cruise. So we thank you to those who have booked, but we would like to invite. Let's go, guys. Let's see if we can get several more people there. And it doesn't matter if we only have a few people, that's fine. We opened it up as just an invitation. We're going to vlog, we're going to have fun, but we can all hang out because that's the way we like to be. We keep it real on the channel, and we love to know who our subscribers are, who our friends are that love to watch. Yes, so that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm just trying to show you, there's a big bird over here. Show you a little bit of what's going on here. Oh, what a nice morning. It's been hot though. But anyway, yes, guys. Medling World's Friend Cruise. That's going to be fun. And it is on Wonder of the Seas. We are loyal to Royal Caribbean. There's no, like, mistake. There's no trying to say, hey, I wonder which cruise line's our favorite. We make it known very, very well on our channel that we prefer Royal Caribbean. Now, listen, we're going to continue to cruise on other cruise lines. But so far, Royal has been an awesome cruise line. Everything we love about it. Oasis class ship. So after we complete this cruise on Wonder of the Seas, we'll only have one more Oasis class ship to complete all of the Oasis class, which would be Symphony of the Seas. It's the only one we will not have been on. Well, who knows? Maybe we'll go on it before we even go on Wonder, because we're hoping we can get on a cruise before September 1st and vlog it. But we're so busy with Epic. So, guys, those are a couple things. Again, Medling World's Friends Cruise. Please, guys, I know people have asked, and we would love to have friends come. Even if you just watch your channel a couple times, but you like the cruise, and join with us and help us learn more about cruising. And maybe we'll go have a breakfast at Johnny Rockets, or grab some avocado toast out of the Windjammer, or have a dinner in the main dining room. We're going to just have fun. We'll go to the show. We'll hang out at the pool deck. Just have a good time. You know what I mean? So please, once again, check out the Facebook page if you are interested in cruising with us. Answer those questions, and then an administrator will approve you to become part of that group and book the cruise. Let us know in the comments. Have you booked a the Medling World Friends Cruise? Okay, yes, please let us know in the comments. I'd love to know if some other people have booked it and maybe we don't know. So, couple other things. May will be coming to visit us. Those of you who have been part of our channel for a long time, I call May my mother-in-law. May, Portuguese, means mom. She's a wonderful woman. Roberta's mom, she's coming to visit us this week. She'll be here for 5 weeks, so she will be joining in. A fan favorite of Medling World subscribers, May, will be joining us for several upcoming vlogs, which will be nice. And Roberta will be very happy, and all of us, actually, Jake and I, to see May. She's a wonderful woman. She supports us more than I could ever thank anybody. Everything she does for us as a mother-in-law, as a mother, as a grandmother, Volvo, wonderful woman. Unconditional love. Great. Very happy to have her. And again, that's the way we are in Medling World. We're just regular family people. We love to share those adventures, and we keep it real. So, with that being said, we are hoping to actually get to Brazil this year. Fingers crossed we will be traveling back to Brazil. We haven't been since pandemic time. So, that would be nice if we could get back to Brazil. We'll be vlogging, hopefully, from Brazil this year. And also, New England, where I'm from, Connecticut. Hoping to get to Connecticut this year. Show you where I came from, show you some of my roots, show you some of the places I worked at. Foxwoods Casino, shout out to Foxwoods Casino, do some vlogs from there. See my older children that live up there, my grandkids, my family, all in New England. I know they like to travel down here and visit, but hey, maybe this year we can get up there a little bit. So, hoping for those two things, fingers crossed, we'll be able to plan those out as well. And again, just kind of a channel update here on Medling World. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on this early Sunday morning. Happy to be here. Happy to share all the upcoming things on Medling World. And so thankful to everybody who has taken that time to subscribe to our channel. So please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. Can't wait to share Epic. That's going to be so fun, man. I cannot wait. And again, we're going to keep it real. We're going to show you what's going on while we're there. And we're going to show you a few things that you may learn about that you might not know from other vlogs you've watched. So I haven't watched any vlogs from Epic, to be honest with you. I haven't watched anything because I still like to kind of keep things real for me. And I know Roberta, with all the information and knowledge she has, we have a bank, we have a Google of knowledge from Roberta. So lots of fun Epic facts and little secrets and things that will help you with Epic Universe. So guys, yes, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to all of our subscribers, and last but not least, book the Medling World cruise. See ya!